So there are four main professional sources of themes that I have used. Now there are lots of professional themes out there, but for the themes that I have experienced using and many other web designers are using, they are using actually these themes. Okay, so I strongly suggest that you check them out. If you want to get the links of these websites, of these sources, then visit my blog or visit my site that I will be posting a link below in the description of this video. And uh, and check it for yourself if what theme is for you. Okay, the first thing that I will be discussing to you is the elegant themes. Now, elegant themes have been around for more than a decade, I think, since since the time that I started learning about WordPress. Elegant themes is already there. Okay, although they made a great leap a few years ago by developing their flagship theme now, which is called Divi. Okay, but if you check the old products, or if you have been a part of this already, or you are already inside elegant themes, there are actually other themes that you can that has been produced before. Okay, but with Divi, it's a revolutionary theme where you can actually design a website from scratch, any kind of website. Okay, so you don't need a theme because this itself, I mean, you do not need a specific theme because this itself is a theme maker. Okay, so it's actually everything you need. Just if you are developing tons of websites, then this is the theme that you will probably want to have. Okay, now the good thing with Divi is that the time that I don't know if they are still offering it. Okay, but before when they first offer it, let's check it now. Okay, they have this one. The thing that I like with Divi, they have a lifetime access. Okay, it's quite expensive. I know it's quite expensive, but granted that you have a lifetime access, you can update it every year without paying anymore. This is a good deal. All right, so for me, uh, Divi is my favorite choice. Okay, uh, it's just it's just my favorite choice because you can have a lifetime access, and then look here, one license, complete access, unlimited website, unlimited users. So if you are a developer, this is one of the best option that you can get. Okay, now there are lots of videos in about Divi somewhere else, and maybe in the future I will be also making some videos. So don't forget to subscribe in this channel because I will be posting some videos about making websites using Divi. Okay, so again, the first thing that you can that I strongly suggest is for you to have, or for you to be a member or buy uh, from elegant themes. Okay, the next thing that the next theme that I would like to discuss is the Elementor. Okay, Elementor is almost the same as the Divi theme. However, Elementor is how do I say this? It is also a drag and drop theme, as you can see here. It differs a bit with Divi on how it works, but it's more like a plugin. Okay, you can, well, yeah, it is a theme. It's drag and drop, and it has lots of plugins that you can also install as an add-on. Uh, and it's lightweight. That's the main thing that I like with Elementor. It's a lightweight theme in comparison to Divi. I have used this in one of the websites that I have developed, and I have seen that they are almost the same. Just they just differ in some of their operations, but basically they are almost the same, and it's lightweight. Okay, if you have learned Divi, I'm pretty sure it will be easy also for you to learn Elementor. But Elementor is quite expensive as well, and it's a yearly. You will need to pay yearly for that. Okay, so Elementor is also, just like Divi, is a theme builder. It's the only thing that you need to make a website or different kinds of website. And you will have to also to pay more extra licenses, I think. So you just uh, check. Let's check the pricing here. Okay. Oh, okay. This is for their pricing. So $49 for one site, 99 for three sites. And take note, all of these are per year. Okay. And for expert, and this is also $200, almost $200, or $199 per year for 1,000 websites. So you can also get that if you want to, if you are a developer. Okay. So not bad. Now, the next theme that I would like to share to you is the Genesis theme. Now, Genesis is one of the best lightweight themes that I have used in so many websites, especially during my early years in WordPress development. Okay, and the Genesis framework package starts at $59.95. But there are, okay, you can also get or you can buy a Genesis Pro. Okay, you can buy a Genesis Pro license if you want. Okay, where you can get all the themes. Okay, Genesis. Okay, here's the price: $360 per year. Okay, but you can get access for all the themes inside. So you can download it. You can also choose to buy some of the themes instead of getting a Genesis Pro. Why not buy just one theme? Okay, so you can choose a theme that will suit you best. Okay, so they have themes for recipes. They have themes for just like a magazine. What else? In agency, okay, sim blog, and some other things. Okay, so there are lots of options that you can get here. Before, it's one of the cheapest, I think, and one of the best themes. And it's still one of the best. I'm pretty sure of that because we are still using it in some of our websites. But of course, over time, the what's this? The price also changes, and uh, I think you can get a good discount when you are buying during uh, the Black Friday sales. So you can watch out for that, and you can go back here in Studio Press for the Genesis themes. Okay, so we have Elegant, we have Elementor, and now we have Genesis themes. Or you can go to Studio Press. And the last thing, one of the best sources of WordPress themes that are professionally looking WordPress themes with good options and good support is the Envato Market. Some uh, you can actually, it's the company is called Envato Market, but I'm referring to the ThemeForest. Okay, under ThemeForest, there are lots of themes that you can buy for a cheap price, and depending on the need that depending on the need of your website project, then you can uh, get these pre-made designs or pre-made themes that will surely suit your needs. But again, you will still have to modify it in one way or another so that it will look more professional on your side, and that it will not have a what's this a duplicate look. Okay, so but ThemeForest is one of the best sources of good, cheap WordPress themes. Okay, and of course, this is a huge market. Okay, the Envato is not just selling themes; they are also selling codes, e-commerce, add-ons, etc., plugins, etc. So you may want to visit all this one in Bottom Market or ThemeForest. You just type it, and you will see that there are lots of options that you can get from this website. Okay. All right. I think we have covered at least most of the uh, themes that can surely help you in developing your own website. And I trust that you have learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video, where we will be discussing about installing plugins and what you need if you are going to build a website.